Today let's talk about another AgriLife biopesticide by name Pacer. Pacer is a bioinsecticide and biotermiticide. Pacer is based on a fungus, entomopathogenic fungus by name Metarhizium anisopli. Metarhizium anisopli, you may be aware, is a very good soil insecticide. Lot of problems are there from white grubs or what we call root grubs in soil. And when the germination starts, the root starts exuding certain smell and liquids. These, what happens, the root grubs, the eggs hatch out and the grubs come out and start feeding the roots. It's a very menacing pest in many parts of the world, especially lighter soils, desert soils, red soils. This kind of the root grub problems are very common. Places where we have high organic matter, that is where again these root grubs come in large numbers. Similarly, there are other root weevils. Root weevils come and start feeding the roots. Chemical insecticides which are used for this particular control of white grubs or root grubs are very toxic in nature, very hazardous in application, and these root grubs develop tremendous resistance for it. Whereas bionematicide Pacer, based on Metarhizium anisopli, is an entomopathogenic fungus. Therefore, there is no likelihood of insects developing resistance for it. Now, apart from the soil insects like root grubs or weevils, we have serious problem of termites. Termites are they come in millions. The mother will be in the termitarium. She produces as many soldiers, slaves as possible, and she let them go to the fields. These soldiers, whatever you call the slaves, they come, they start eating every root, dry matter, cellulose, and then take home to the termitarium all the biological material. If these soldiers, the slaves, don't go back home, imagine the queen can reproduce as many numbers she wants without the help of male. That is the nature's wonder. These termites are very dangerous organisms. The wood can be burned, the bark will be affected, the roots are consumed by them. Therefore, we need an effective bionematicide which doesn't kill the soil bacteria. It should not be dangerous for us, should not be polluting our water. Compared to all such dirty chemicals, Pacer is a bioinsecticide for control of root grubs, root weevils, and very importantly, termites. So we use the word biotermiticide. How it is different from chemicals to this? When we drench a chemical into soil, they go vertically like this. That means the termites, which are subterranean, in this cylindrical space, when the liquid water along with chemical termiticide falls down, percolates down, they come into contact and they will die. Whereas the mode of action of Pacer, Metarhizium anisopli, is different. When we apply to soil, okay, it comes down. Whereas when the termites start moving, the fungal spores or the mycelia get attached to the body of the termites. And when they move like this in the soil, horizontally, and mind you, these insects are social insects. They have a pattern, they have a commander, they have a chief, they have a line, they have a very social order, and they touch each other, they communicate. Then what happens? This entomopathogenic fungus called Metarhizium anisopli in Pacer starts pathogenizing the colony slowly. The pathogenicity spreads. Over a period of time, this entomopathogenic fungus Metarhizium which is in Pacer, finally goes and attacks the queen, where she lives in the termite area. Therefore, we call this sort of a horizontal transfer effect, which no chemical termiticide can have it. Therefore, Pacer having metarhizium anisopli is a very safe, unique biotermiticide and bioinsecticide. It's a fungus. We discussed entomopathogenic fungus. It is produced in solid state fermentation. We harvest conidiospores. Therefore, they can be stored under normal ambient conditions. We give a formulation of 1 times 10 power 8 per CFU per gram in talc medium or in dextrose medium, water soluble powder basically. We also give 1 into 10 power 9 CFU per gram in a water soluble medium. Therefore, it can be sprayed, it can be drenched, it can be applied to the foundations. When you dig a building, you normally have foundations. We can drench that foundation pit with this Pacer metarhizium. And it's compatible with other soil applicable biofungicides like Beauveria bassiana, Verticillium lacani. It can be compatible with other similar biofungicides of that fungal or bacterial nature.
What is the potency of Pacer that you offer?
Normally, as per registered product, 1 times 10 power 8 CFU per gram can be given in talc medium, can be given in water soluble powder. We also give, as I said, 1 time 10 power 9 CFU per gram also.
Do you have any other formulations of Pacer?
We customize a liquid formulation also if the customers want liquid formulation. Pacer can be offered as a liquid formulation also, wherein we use water as a carrier. So there are no hazardous, toxic, petroleum-based carriers. No.
What is the shelf life?
We offer, say, 6 months shelf life in the case of soil, water-based, carrier-based, water-based powder, liquid also. Thank you very much.